Good morning. Today we will study how to write an essay on the topic what happened in the world. What happened in the world or what happened to the world. So we are to describe what happened to the world in the recent past. Today we will study how to write those sentences. First, as usual, I have taken the verbs I have taken. The first verb I have taken, lifts. And talat lifts. We can tell it in Tamil, talat rather. The second verb that I have taken is administer. The third verb I have taken, donate. People donate things to temples and right, you know what is the meaning of the word donate, because today I'm going to explain the lesson in English in order to facilitate English listening atmosphere. The other verb that I have taken, receive. We receive things from others. The other verb I have taken, buy. We purchase things. The other verb I have taken, use and receive. So we will see how to write sentences. As I told you earlier, with the verb lifts, we are to compose the sentence. Many governments, what they did, they lifted. In Tamil, we can say eduthargal. So what they lifted their curfews and travel restrictions. They lifted their curfews and travel restrictions. Avargal curfew, பயண கட்டுப்பாடுகளை எடுத்தார்கள். How they lifted gradually. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக எடுத்தார்கள். With what? Issuing proper instructions. உரிய instructions வழங்கி எடுத்தார்கள். For what? To the general public. இந்த general public-க்கு உரிய ஒழுங்குமுறைகளை தெரிவித்து எடுத்தார்கள். Where? In many countries. When? Last month. So you can read that sentence. Many governments lifted their curfews and travel restrictions gradually, issuing proper instructions to the general public in many countries last month. The second sentence has been written using the verb administer. MOH officers administered what? AstraZeneca vaccines. AstraZeneca vaccine வந்து administer பண்ணிச்சினாம். How they administered? Systematically. How they administered? Systematically. They systematically administered. With what? In collaboration with the security forces. பாதுகாப்பு படைகளின் உதவியோட. For what? To prevent the spread. தொற்றை தடுப்பதற்காக. Where? In many hospitals in Sri Lanka. In many hospitals in Sri Lanka. இலங்கையில் இருக்கிற பல ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ஸ்ல. When? As soon as they had received the vaccines. அவர்கள் வேக்சின்ஸை பெற்றுக்கொண்ட உடனே administer பண்ண தொடங்கிச்சினாம். So we can read that sentence. MOH officers administered AstraZeneca vaccines systematically in collaboration with the security forces to prevent the spread in many hospitals in Sri Lanka as soon as they had received the vaccines. We will read the third sentence. It has been written with the verb donate. Donate. Many foreign governments donated. What they donated? Millions of vaccines. மில்லியன் கணக்கான தடுப்பூசிகளை டொனேட் பண்ணிச்சினோம், இலவசமாக கொடுத்துச்சினோம். எவ்வாறு கொடுத்துச்சினோம்? சேஃப்லி, பாதுகாப்பாக. through the channels of World Health Organization. World Health Organization in the Balikali Nudaha Balangichina. Too many poor countries, they donated millions of vaccines to many poor countries. Where in the world, once the vaccines had been manufactured, and sonna vaccine bandu utpathi seidha pinnar donate panna thodangichina. So we can read the sentence, many foreign governments donated millions of vaccines safely through the channels of World Health Organization to many poor countries in the world once the vaccines had been manufactured. We will read the other sentences. We can see actually here we have used past perfect tense. So here we see we have used simple past tense. So the simple past tense and past perfect tense are used in the sentences. The past perfect tense we use here to indicate what the action happened first. So this action happened first than it. So for the action which happened first, we use past perfect tense, whereas we use simple past tense to indicate the action that happened secondly in the past. So we are to continue reading our sentences. The other sentence has been written with the verb receive. More than 10% of the total population received. 10 வீதத்துக்கு மேற்பட்ட மொத்த சனத்தொகையில 10 வீதத்துக்கு மேற்பட்ட ஆட்கள் received பெற்றுக்கொண்டார்கள். எதை பெற்றுக்கொண்டார்கள்? Their first dose of Covishield AstraZeneca vaccines. AstraZeneca vaccine, Covishield vaccine பெற்றுக்கொண்டார்கள். எப்படி பெற்றுக்கொண்டார்கள்? Successfully. இதனோட through various vaccination centers. தடுப்பூசி வழங்கும் நிறுவனங்களின் சென்டர்ஸின் ஊடாக பெற்றுக்கொண்டார்கள். Established throughout the country. எங்க நாடு பூராவும் ஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் பண்ணப்பட்டிருந்த அந்த சென்டர்ஸின் ஊடாக பெற்றுக்கொண்டார்கள். Where? In Sri Lanka. When? In the recent past. So we can read that sentence as well. More than 10% of the total population received their first dose of Covishield AstraZeneca vaccines successfully through various vaccination centers established throughout the country in Sri Lanka in the recent past. So we will read the other sentence. Which has been written using the verb by, bring. Here, bring and kondu varadhu. Sri Lanka brought Ilanka kondu vandichadu Sinopharm vaccines. How? Adequately, podiyalavu, without any interruptions. In the sense, without any disturbances. In the tadaikalame illamal. Forward to assist the vaccination process, where in all the districts soon after the lockdown had been lifted. Soon after the lockdown was lifted, or soon after the lockdown, after taking the lockdown. So we can read this sentence as well. Sri Lanka brought Sinopharm vaccines adequately without any interruptions to assist the vaccination process in all the districts soon after the lockdown had been lifted. So we will read the other sentence. The other sentence has been written using the verb use. We can read that sentence as well. The Ministry of Health வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணிச்சது. என்னத்தை யூஸ் பண்ணிச்சது? Machineries யூஸ் பண்ணிச்சது. எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணிச்சது? Perfectly. The Ministry of Health used machineries perfectly with a limited manpower. குறைஞ்ச அளவு ஆட்களை பயன்படுத்தி என்னத்துக்காக? In order to unload the packs of vaccines பார்சல வந்து இறக்குறதுக்காக. Unload means load and unload. Load, we loading something, and unload means we are putting down. We are getting that from a particular place. Where? At the airport, when during the supply. Then we can read that sentence as well. The Ministry of Health used machineries perfectly with their limited manpower in order to upload the packs of vaccines at the airport during the supply. We will read the other sentence. The other sentence is a negative sentence, has been written with the verb receive. Some people did not receive their vaccines. Some people did not receive their vaccines. சில ஆட்கள் வந்து அந்த vaccines வந்து பெற்றுக்கொள்ளவில்லை. தடுப்பூசியை பெற்றுக்கொள்ளவில்லை. How? Promptly, நேரத்துக்கு, வேலைக்கு. With some excuses, என்னத்தோட சில காரணங்களை சொல்லி. என்னத்துக்காக? Due to their fear of side effects. Why they did not receive? Because of the fear, பயம். Side effects in the பயத்தால, பக்க விளைவுகள் in the பயங்களால சில மக்கள் promptly அந்த vaccines பெற்றுக்கொள்ளல. Where? In many countries, பல நாடுகளில். When? Once the vaccination had been initiated. தடுப்பூசி வழங்குற programs initiate பண்ணி இருக்கேக்குள்ள மக்கள் பல பேர் promptly அதை receive பண்ணல. So we can read that sentence as well. Some people did not receive their vaccines promptly with some excuses due to their fear of side effects in many countries once the vaccination had been initiated, or once the vaccination process had been initiated. So we can understand the essay. You can see almost we have used 235 words, more nearly 235 words are used to compose this essay. We have used almost 7 verbs here, right? So in order to make or compose beautiful essays or sentences about the topics as you wish, if you use these techniques, you can write beautiful, descriptive, and longer sentences using a number of words. Thank you.